So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show basically how to do automated live flickering. Okay, so let's start our video. And before starting this video, as I said to you before, Jai Sriram, Jai Miro. So basically I have this footage. Okay, now for automated live separation, what I have to do, I have to take like first of all can take grade mode. Okay, now most of the guys do like just right click here, set key, and they just take like this, right? So maybe you can guys animate this, but if you do want to automate this, so I can give you some expression like just go here, right click and edit expression. Just now here, type like if you guys type frame and just hit okay, just one. I mean just hit multiply sign and like one. What it does, it will just exposure right? But I will do here like if I give this like you can type just type this random okay random star frame. But for more, you guys can do random and frame. Okay, just this. So after this, just if I type enter, now see the light says flickering, right? So this is the one technique, but you have to maintain some exposure level. So try to keep this right. Now see. So by this type of expression, you guys can do like multiple type of just light flickering process. Okay. So it's like if a random flickering type, and also you guys can if you just guys take this like if I just hit here star one okay or just start two just select and see it's more right. So that's the thing. So that's a very easy way and it's a short video. Okay, so just I need to show some light flickering technique automated, so you guys can do this using light flickering or just this expression. Okay, so I hope you guys find this video very useful, and if you guys like this video, please subscribe to our channel and please share this video with others. Thank you. And before leaving this video, as I say to everyone, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Mera.